We are going to install the AlphaSense NOx and OX sensors in the Atmos mobile AQM device. I'll keep the sensor on the side for now. We'll open these 4 screws with the help of Phillips screw head. They are open. Keep them on the side. Now when opening the box, you will be a little careful because there are wires connecting the bottom of the box to the top of the box. So we'll place them down gently. Right. No wires should be stretched. Now we'll disconnect a few wires. We'll remove the black wire and the white wire from the power bank. In fact, we'll remove the white connector completely even from the board. This is the GSM module. What we'll do is first we will disconnect the GSM module. It is connected with the back of the box with the help of a velcro, and then we'll press the small nudge here and we'll completely remove the GSM module. Keep that on the side. Now I'll lift both of these up. There is a small tape connecting the BME module to the front of the box. It's a thermal insulation tape. We will have to physically pull the thermal insulation tape. It's like a sellotape, so just keep it on the side and make sure no dust accumulates on it till we put it back in. Now there are 3 screws here connecting the PCB board to the box. 1, 2 and 3. We will open these screws one by one. It's loosened up actually. So now your board has some breathing space. What we are going to do is we are going to slightly raise the board, not much. We don't want to disturb the setup too much. And the one on my right, the gas is for the oxygen sensor, and the one on my left is for the NO sensor. So we'll take the ozone sensor and we will place it. Let me just change this valve. Lift the board and we will place the female pins of the ozone sensor. Push it a little from bottom. Similarly, we'll lift the board a little and place the nitrogen sensor in place. 1 second. Yeah. Gently press it. Alright. Now the sensors should align with the holes outside the box. So yeah, that should do it. And now we are going to screw it back up. First, fix the screw in the center of the board, which will make it easier for you to then connect the other screws. Yeah, snapping the sensors back in place. I'm going to just a second. The last one. What I'm going to do is take the GSM module. I'm going to take the 10 pin. You can see the nudge up here and fix them, align them and insert and fix. The Velcro goes the back of the box quite simply. Any one of those two wires can go in the power bank. One micro USB connection. There is another USB to micro USB connection which goes from this particular micro USB point in the board to the USB point in the power bank. Let's connect those. Yep. And now finally we take the thermal insulation tape, which is for the BME 280, and we fix it so that most of the BME 280 is covered and isolated from inside of the box. And now we close this box again, make sure that all the wires are inside and behind the sensors. Put the screws back in place. Tighten them. And we are done.